Have you ever wondered why some people stay healthier for longer, with fewer diseases, even cancer? The secret is not only in medicine. It's in your kitchen. Today, we're talking about powerful foods that help protect your body against cancer, and how they work from the inside out. Stay tuned, because the foods you are about to see can completely transform your health. 1. What causes cancer in the first place? Cancer often begins when DNA gets damaged from chemicals, toxins, smoking, or processed foods. Chronic inflammation weakens your immune system. Oxidative stress attacks your cells. Unhealthy lifestyle habits weaken the body's natural defense. The good news? Many foods contain natural compounds that repair DNA, reduce inflammation, strengthen immunity, and slow abnormal cell growth. 2. Cruciferous vegetables, the cancer warriors. Examples: broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, kale, Brussels sprouts. Why they protect you? Rich in sulforaphane, a compound proven to slow cancer cell growth. Detoxifies harmful chemicals from the liver. Reduces inflammation. Protects against breast, colon, prostate, and lung cancer. 3. Garlic and onions, natural tumor fighters. Garlic contains allicin, which destroys harmful bacteria, boosts immune cells, helps inhibit the growth of cancer cells, protects especially against stomach and colon cancer. 4. Berries, small fruits, big power. Examples: blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, blackberries. Berries are loaded with antioxidants that repair DNA. Ellagic acid, a natural cancer-fighting compound. Anti-inflammatory properties. They help reduce the risk of breast cancer, colon cancer, esophageal cancer. 5. Turmeric, the golden shield. Turmeric contains curcumin, one of the most studied anti-cancer spices. Benefits include strong anti-inflammatory effect, slows the spread of cancer cells, boosts antioxidant levels in the body. 6. Tomatoes, lycopene powerhouse. Tomatoes contain lycopene, a compound that protects cells from damage, reduces the risk of prostate and lung cancer. 7. Green tea, the antioxidant drink. Green tea contains EGCG, a powerful cancer-protecting antioxidant. Benefits: prevents DNA damage, reduces tumor growth, supports detoxification. Drink 1 to 2 cups daily for best results. 8. Whole grains and fiber, the colon cleansers. Examples: oats, brown rice, whole wheat, barley. Fiber reduces the risk of colon cancer by helping remove toxins, supporting healthy digestion, feeding good gut bacteria. 9. Nuts and seeds, healthy fat protectors. Examples: almonds, walnuts, chia, flaxseed. Why they protect you? Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, reduce inflammation, contain antioxidants and fiber. Walnuts and flax seeds especially protect against breast and prostate cancer. 10. Leafy greens, the detox kings. Examples: spinach, kale, Swiss chard. High in folate, iron, vitamins A, C, K, chlorophyll. They protect cells from mutations and help detox the body. 11. Foods to avoid, cancer promoters. Avoid or limit processed meats, sausage, hot dogs, bacon, excess sugar, deep-fried foods, artificial additives, alcohol, highly processed packaged foods. These cause inflammation, DNA damage, and hormonal imbalance. 12. Daily Anti-Cancer Meal Plan Simple Guide. Breakfast: oats with berries plus green tea. Lunch: steamed broccoli, whole grains, tomatoes. Snack: nuts and seeds. Dinner: garlic, turmeric-based meals plus leafy greens. Before bed: herbal tea. Small lifestyle changes equals massive long-term health benefits. Conclusion: your body is your most priceless asset. Food can be your medicine or your poison. By choosing the right foods today, you are building a stronger, cleaner, disease-resistant future. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful health videos. Your support helps the channel grow and spread awareness.